Hey folks, welcome back to the Schlop. It's been quite a while since I've done a video, so I figured I'd just do a little quick update what's going on here. Figure I'd get something posted. I'm working out here, might as well do something. And I'm using my phone, so sorry about the quality if it's not the greatest, but let me show you what I've got going on in my mess here. Well, first things first, I got a new addition here to the shop. I've had it for a little bit. It's a little bit messy, but I got one of these Chinese 7. This one's a 7x12, but 7X mini lathe, and been using it for a little bit. It works good. Still learning the ropes and whatnot, but as you can see, got a few tool things and one of these cheap aluminum quick release tool posts, which is crap, so I'm going to upgrade that, but it works okay. I've actually made quite a few chips already. You can see the floor and that. And not much going on besides mess. Haven't done any RC stuff or electronic stuff, but cleanup will be coming here soon. But my main focus has been, of course, the Beetle. Let me grab, you can see. I don't know if I did a video, but let me grab a flashlight. There's the engine. I'll get to that as well. But I'm hoping to get this thing driving under its own power here within the next few months. But you can see here, got some wiring done. This is just a universal aftermarket harness. All this is painted with some black oil-based paint. Same with the interior. Here's the old wiring. I kept it all because I need connectors. But you can see it's dusty. But that's all painted. Floors are painted. Pedal assembly is in place. Here you can see some of the more of the wiring. Still need more sanding and whatnot, but she's getting there. His gas tank needs to be fixed up. The rear as well, and there you can see the wiring coming back here for the engine, and transmission is cleaned up and in place now. It needs a spring for the clutch return, which I have. I just have to put it in, but on the bench it ran through all the gears when I spun it, so that's a good sign. Yeah, a little bit more wiring there. I think I've got this all epoxy primed and everything. And another thing I got done is front disc brake conversion. So that's all bolted up with the new appropriate master cylinder and the lines all in place. I haven't got the reservoir hooked up yet, but that's to come. And like I say, here's the engine. It was a running engine, but I decided to take the jugs and everything off because there was lots of silicone and I think it was leaking and all that. So took the jugs and pistons out, did a light hone on the cylinders to clean them up. They were in good shape, and I cleaned all the carbon out of the heads and the valves, and did a little bit of used some valve grinding compound just to give it a light clean up. Cleaned all the carbon out, and I put new piston rings in as well because I ordered those up. So that took me a little while. It's all back together. New push rods and push rod tubes as well. I wrecked one of the push rods by accident when I was lifting. I think what happened was the push rod tube was rubbing up against the push rod and it damaged it. So got some new push rods in there as well. And yeah, I'm just getting all the tins were painted. I'm missing a couple pieces, but doghouse was done a while ago. But I pulled the flaps from the old doghouse because this old shroud because it was missing. But I don't have the bar that goes across or the rod, so I got to do that. Make something like that for I can get it all back together. A few more bits and pieces here. Spark plug wires, thermostat, and I think some shims and whatnot. So yeah, let's say it's a bit of a mess as usual, but that's just how it goes. Oh, and I also tore apart the old engine to see how it is, and the case and everything is still good. So it's a single port engine, so it's not as good as this one, but I might build this one up stock, and then once it's good to go, throw it in the car, and I'll come back to this one and give it a little bit of an upgrade, get a little bit more power. So in any case, that's what's going on right now. Nothing too exciting. Same old, same old. Spring's coming, so looking forward to the warm temperatures and whatnot. But hopefully in a few months, I'll be able to yard drive this at least. So in any case, until then, take care and talk to you later.